just got from Copart. So basically, I just got the vehicle from Copart, and also was shipped, delivered to me today. So first and foremost, we want to go. I'll show you guys around the damage. I came with the car when I bought it from Copart, and after that, I'll take you guys along as I'm going to fix it, because I'll be fixing this car by myself in my garage. So just follow me so you guys can see the damage. Currently, the car doesn't run because the battery is dead, but right from the look of it, the car, you can see the two doors is gone. As you can see, the two doors doesn't have any. The two doors is gone. So I might have to replace the driver door, the back side door as well, and also my son is out in the way, and also the wheel, the rim in the back. I might have to replace it. I don't know the damage of the strut, but I don't know until I be able to take it out so I can tell. You can see that one is damaged. Other than that, the car's still pretty clean on the outside part. I mean, those are just the damage because I think the wreck actually happened on the driver's side. So that's the damage. You can see the front side is still pretty clean. On the front side, this is the Nissan Rogue 2016, the base model. So you can see on this other side, everything is still pretty clean. Everything's in perfect shape. So I'll just show you guys the interiors, so you guys can see the damage. Right when you open on the door, you can see the airbag. The airbag right here busted out. The airbag on his driver side seat is gone, so that has to be replaced. No any other damage from the dash, everything, no any damage other than that. I just have to replace this airbag. This airbag runs from here all the way down to the back, and also the one by the driver's seat. So also when I open the back, you can see the car is pretty clean inside. I mean, it's a cloth interior, so the car is pretty clean inside. There's no other damage. So that's what I'll be replacing. I'll just be replacing both the driver door, the back, the rear door, and also maybe I want to see the damage on the strut. I want to see, maybe I'm going to change the control arm. I don't know yet until I be able to jack it up so I can see what is wrong. I'll be doing this repair by myself in my garage, so I'll let you guys see as I go on this journey. So other than that, if you look at the back, it's a 2016 Nissan Rogue, just the base model. Then that other damage on the body. The car's still pretty clean. Actually, I have 42,000 miles on it, so it's still pretty clean. And the car is super quiet. I wish I can run it now for you guys to see, but the car is real super quiet. You can see. So, and I'll be showing you guys how I fix this car. I mean, I've already looked around, look for the door probably around 300 plus. So I'm gonna buy the door, so I'll let you guys see. All right, just follow me. wrong, maybe there's I need to change the control arm, or probably I need to change the strut. But guys, let's get it walk. So guys, I was able to change the wheel, but I was so surprised, and there's nothing wrong with the back struts, no control arm, no damage. It was just a dent on the wheel. I'll show you guys what actually happened to the rim itself. So there was not actual damage to the see, this is actually what is wrong. So I was so lucky. Right here is the dent. That's it. So nothing actually wrong with the control arm, to the control arm or the strut. The thing is perfect in the back. I just put the donut tire, that means the spare tire. I just put it on, and so I'll be able to put it on in the garage properly. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to leave the car running because of the battery is dead. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll be trying to take some the doors off, so I'll be able to get access to the airbag. That's my son right there. He's working with his dad. So right now on this bad boy, I'm just going to take the front the front door out and also the back door out. Just let's get to it, guys. So to take them out, they're super easy. You can see I'm only taking 1, 2 out, 1, 2. I'm taking those out, and this one too, I'm taking this one out. And the connection right here, I'm just gonna lose it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. Just follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. I was able to take the doors out, the 2 doors where the damage is. I was able to take it out. So right here are the doors, right here on the floor. It'll probably take me a couple of minutes to take them out. That's the driver's side, and this one for the rear. I'm taking them out. So now I'll be able to have access to this little dent right here. I'm just gonna beat them down. There's no really much damage I need to do right here. I'm just gonna beat this down, try to line them up back again. And why I just gotta walk a little bit of walk right here. I'm just gonna pull it out. I have a pulling machine. I'm gonna pull it out a little bit and try to smoothen it, put some bundle on it and make it nice. Well, I'll be taking a trip tomorrow so I can get the door. But luckily for me, I was able to get the same I was able to get the same color of the same vehicle, the same year, right? I was able to get it. So I'll be getting that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna slam it on it. The cash probably should be ready in 2-3 days. And this is how I would do it. I want you guys to see me. I'm not a mechanic, but I just decided to take this as an hobby, fixing cars, right? You can see the 2 doors is out. So I mean, there we go, right? Right now what I'm gonna do, the airbags, I'm gonna take them out completely, and also these the driver airbag, driver seat, I'm gonna take it out, and also the seat belt is locked out as well on the driver's side. I'm just gonna take it out. All right, guys, just follow me this journey, guys. Oh, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up tonight because it's getting dark. So by tomorrow, I'm going to continue on this bad boy. You can see the 2 doors is out. The car is pretty running. You can see how quiet the car is. So by tomorrow, I'll be going to get the door. I'm just going to slam the door on it. It should be pretty good, pretty straightforward. So as you can see, the airbag I'm working on, I'm taking them out. But because it's getting dark, so I'm going to continue the job tomorrow. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Please kindly consider subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.